guys, welcome back to another tutorial. On today's video I am going to show you how to earn $5 per click using Chatgpt for free. Now this AI tool is what you can do to earn money from the comfort of your home. So if you are someone that wants to start a side hustle but you don't know how to start, then this video is perfect for you. And this is beginners friendly, and I am going to be explaining a methods how you can make money online using Chatgpt for free. But before we get started, I want you guys to subscribe to my Substack newsletter where I share tips on how to stay happy, stay motivated. If you are someone that is going through a lot in life, maybe depression, anxiety, then subscribe to my Substack newsletter, Rookie Rich on Substack, and you'll find really helpful tips to help you. So yeah, let's get started. The first step is you want to go to Chatgpt and create an account for completely free using Google or your Microsoft account, or just continue with Apple. So when you are logged in, this is how your page is going to look like. So what you want to do is to give Chatgpt specific instructions in prompt style. Now, prompt style in Chatgpt is very essential. Prompt helps you generate a specific and particular type of content. For example, I can say write a puff-puff recipe without sugar. As you can see, it starts writing in details for me because I gave it prompt. So the more detailed you have with your prompt, the more detailed Chatgpt is going to provide you valuable answer. There's a lot of websites out there that are selling prompts for $100 US, $200 US, but in today's video I'm going to be giving you a prompt for free. And make sure that you watch this video to the end because I'll be dropping the prompt at the end of this video. Now, step 2, use prompts. So you want to copy this prompt and paste it to Chatgpt to provide you a step-by-step procedure of whatever it is you are searching for. So as you can see, within seconds, Chatgpt is able to generate me full step-by-step guide on how to grow on YouTube. So we have an article. Chatgpt is able to generate an article for us. Make sure that you change some English so you won't be flagged for copyright use. Step number 3, create an account on Teachable. Now, Teachable is a platform where you can create and sell online courses with over 500 million US dollar generated and over active 18 million buyers. So you want to come over here and create an account for free, enter your email, a password, fill in the necessary information and create an account. Now, step 4, sign up as an affiliate. Now, you want to find a platform where you can affiliate for free. The first one we'll be touching on is Audible. Audible is very good for this type of affiliate. Not only is Audible easy to use and you'll be able to make money really fast on Audible, you'll also be able to make $5 per click whenever someone try out a book for free on Audible. And when they purchase a book, you'll be able to make extra $10 from Audible. So let's say I'm searching for a book on how to cook. I will just type it to Audible, and as you can see, a tons of helpful books relating to how to cook is out. So let's say I affiliate for this book, someone tries it for free, I'll get paid $5 as an affiliate, and if they end up buying this book, I'll get extra $10. But since we are using how to go on YouTube as a case study on today's video, I'll just search for that right now and promote these books to get paid $5 per click. So the next step is to go to Google Docs and click on a blank document and start copying and pasting everything that Chatgpt generated for us so far, and paste it into the documents just like this. Customize the documents by changing the color and fonts. So to change the font, select one from the available options right here. You can either download the graph directly or take a screenshot of it. Click on the document's title area to name the document. Then you want to go to File, then Download and select PDF Documents. To launch this PDF document as a digital product, you have to have it at the back of your mind that when you want to launch a digital product, you have to solve a problem for someone and you have to give them value. Now that you have a digital product, the sixth step is you want to go to Teachable. You know I mentioned Teachable in the third step of today's video. So you want to go back to Teachable, scroll down to digital downloads and click on Create. Then name your product by copying the title from the PDF document and pasting it. Use a description for the product, which can also be generated by Chatgpt if you want. So select the category, e.g. ebook, and proceed. We want to go to Canva and generate an image for this PDF file. So the first thing we want to do is to go to Canva and search for ebook covers. You will see a tons of ebook covers that you can use. Anyone that relates with your personality, anyone that you like, then just make use of that. So you want to customize the choosing template as needed. Just customize, make some changes, let it suit what you want, and just use that. So the next step is you want to go to click share and download as a png file and upload the image. Continue with the one-time purchase option and set a price. Upload the PDF document, click continue, and your product is ready to go live. Once you've done that, this is what your product is going to look like when it has gone live. We are able to make use of Audible and Chatgpt to make money. So in my previous video, people always ask that, okay, this Audible, how do we go about it? Is it until someone purchase a product that we get paid $5? The answer is no. They don't have to purchase a product. When they purchase a product, you get paid extra $10. But when they try a book for free on Audible, as an affiliate that you have, you get paid $5 for that. So I wish you good luck on today's video. One thing I want you to know is that you have to bring people from other platforms to your Audible. You have to market yourself, right? So what you want to do is Twitter is actually good for this. You want to create a Twitter account and start posting whatever book it is that you're affiliating for on Audible. You want to create a Twitter account and start posting tips of the book there. Okay, let's say for example you are affiliating for how to make money online, which is a book on Audible. You want to go to Chatgpt and tell it to generate you a summary of how to make money online book. So then you go to Twitter and you make it as a Twitter thread and you start posting, and people that are interested in that particular topic, whenever they click on your link to read a book, you get paid $5. They are doing it for free and you are making money. All you have to do is just to be smart about it and make sure that you get people to click on your link. So yeah, that brings us right into the end of today's video. I hope that you guys gain a value. Drop a comment if you have any questions. I'm always in my comment section, and I wish you good luck, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.